Hey Explorers, today we are going to be learning about mean, median, mode, and range. Um, so as I fill this out, you are going to be filling it out on your pink sheet that we taped in your notebook. And then you can use this video, the pink sheet, and your white foldable to help you with your practice. So here we go. The mean is the average number in the set of data. And how you find it is you add the numbers, then you divide the sum by the quantity of numbers in the set. So right now, go ahead and pause the video and make sure you have the definition and how to find it written down. Then the median is the middle number in a set of data. And how you find that is first, we're going to put the numbers in numerical order, so least to greatest. Then, starting on the outside, count inwards until you reach the middle number. The mode is the number that occurs most often. And how you find that is you look for the number that occurs the most. That one's pretty straightforward. The range is the difference between the highest and lowest numbers in a set of data. So how you find that is you're going to subtract the lowest number from the highest number. Alright, so go ahead and pause your video and make sure you have all 8 of these boxes written in, and then we'll do an example together. Okay, so now that you have those 8 boxes written down, we are going to do an example. So the first thing we're going to do always when we're doing our data is we are going to line up our numbers from least to greatest. Okay, so then it's done and we don't have to worry about it. And I'm going to do that in the median box. Okay. Don't worry, Explorers, that was just my wife. She's goofy like that. It's all good. Hang on. Struggling a moment here. Okay, here we go. So, I'm going to order my numbers from least to greatest. And I would just cross them off as I go. 37. Oh, there's 237, so we have to write both of them down. Nine. 43. 47. And 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, I got them all. So, to find the mean, we're going to add them all up. So I'm going to go 35 plus 37 plus 37 plus 39 plus 43, plus 47, plus 60. All right, so go ahead and pause the video and add up your sum. All right, so when you add them all up here, you should get 298. So we're going to go equals 298. So now we're going to divide 298 divided by 7 because there are 7 numbers in our data set. All right. So go ahead, pause the video again, and do your long division just off to the side of your paper here. You should get 42 and 4/7 are your mean. All right, then to find the median, we're looking for the middle number. So we're going to start on the outside, and we're just going to cross off the numbers as we go. And then we get to our middle number, and we realize that our middle number is 39. Now, what happens if we have an even number in our data set? So let's say we have 35, 37, 37, 39. Let's say we had a 40 in there. Okay, so then I'll change color so you can see it. So if I cross these off, you'll notice I have 2 medians. Now we can't have 2 medians. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to add these 2 numbers up and divide by 2. We want to take the middle of those 2 numbers. Okay, so if I add 39 and 49, or 39 and 40, I get 79. And then if I divide that by 2, I'm going to get 39 and a half. So our median there would be 39 and a half. Okay, but we'll stick to our other set of data for the rest of them. Okay, so now if we take a look at our mode, the mode is the number that occurs most often. So we're going to look for that. So which number do we see the most in our set of data? I see 37 twice. Okay, so 37 is our mode. And finally, our range is the difference between the highest and the lowest numbers. So my biggest number is 60. And my smallest number is 35. So I'm going to subtract those 2 to get a range of 25. And if you notice, if you take a look at your answers, 42 and 4/7, 39, 39 and a half, and 25, they're all pretty close to the actual set of data. So if you get a number that's way off, that's not close to 35 to 60, then we did something wrong. But now it's your turn to practice. Feel free to come back and watch this video if you need help. Next week, line plots and how to use them.